mimicking?
It's called contagious yawning. It can happen to anyone. So, it's normal.
Huh, that's funny.
Why is it normal?
I tried resisting yawning whenever someone yawned next to me.
I think it's nature. Happens to all of us. Okay, guys, let's go to bed.